What's up, everyone? Today I'm going to teach you how to fix your ignition coils on your 2004 through 2006 Scion XB. So the first thing you want to do is take off these 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you get your last one off, you want to just go ahead and pop this off. And once you pop that off, you'll see these 4 ignition coils. I've replaced the 4th one already because I got a P0302 error about 2 months ago. So I've replaced that one, and today I'm getting a P0302 error. So I'm going to replace the second one. So we'll go 1, 2 to the second one. And you go ahead and take off that bolt right there. So once you remove the bolt, you want to go ahead and take this electrical piece off. Usually there's a tab right here you click, but mine broke off, so then you just go ahead and unplug that and leave that to the side there. And this should just peel right off. And then you go ahead and grab your new one. I just picked these up off your local auto shop store. I got a pack of 4, so I can just replace them anytime you need. But you go ahead and just plug that back in. Sometimes you can replace the spark plug that's down there too, but I don't think that's an issue. But we'll go ahead and replace this and see if I still get that error. So plug this back in there, and you should feel like a little tiny push. It should go right against there. Go ahead and put that screw back in. Hand tighten it in the beginning. And finish it off with a wrench. Once that's on there tight, go ahead and plug this back in. Should feel that go all the way in, or click if it clicks. And then go ahead and start your engine and see if the air shows up. And it works for me now perfectly, so we'll just go ahead and put the top back on and put those 4 screws back on. There you go. There you have it. Quick fix to fix the P0302 error. But it also works with the 1, 2, 3, or 4 error as well. Thank you. Bye.